is optional.
Jizya tax.
Jizya tax.
No.
Is it optional?
No, it's compulsory.
Either you pay it or you get converted in Muslim.
No. It is if you are non-Muslim, you have to pay it for protection. If you become a Muslim, then you can't pay jizya tax, you have to fight. You cannot say, no, I don't want to fight. So if you become a Muslim, and if someone attacks the country, and if the head of the state says you have to fight, you cannot say, no, I don't want to fight, I'll pay jizya double. No. For a Muslim, there is no option. Once you become a Muslim, there is no option if the head of the state says that you have to go to fight, irrespective of the doctor or an engineer or educated person, uneducated, he has no option saying, take money, I don't want to fight. No, he has to. It's compulsory. But for non-Muslim, he should be safe, and the safety money that is paying is jizya tax as a small amount, as a token saying that I accept that you protect.
I mean, is it optional that either you pay jizya tax or you get for non-Muslim, or
no option,
you get converted as a Muslim?
No. It is not
It's
optional.
not like
if you get converted, you don't have to pay jizya tax. You have no option at all. If you are a non-Muslim, you get security from Muslims. If you become a Muslim, you cannot say, I don't want to fight. You have to fight if required. You understand, no? So it is, if you get converted, then there is a bigger burden on you. There is a bigger responsibility. You can't say, no, I cannot fight for you. If you are non-Muslim, responsibility is completely taken care by the Muslims. So there's a difference. That means it is opposite. If you get converted, means you have to go and fight. You cannot even pay that tax. There is no option at all. You have to go whether you are scared or not. This is the Islamic rule.